Right off goes 387 304 and its classmate on the 1508 Great Northern says to London King's Cross from Ely, and this is another train set, and today you join me at Cambridge North on the West Anglia Main Line and part of the Fen Line as well. So being seen services by Great Northern, Great Anglia and Cross Country. Here is 720 555 and 720 St Kills at the front on the, which will be later formed the 1513 Great Anglia service to London Liverpool Street down here. You'll see that service go back out soon. So without further ado, let's see what Cambridge North has to offer. Departing now is the 1513 Great Anglia service to London Liverpool Street, 720 555 and its classmate. Off she goes. I think 526 was at the front. So I saw this unit earlier, but I could be mistaken for that. But off she goes to London. Next stop will be Cambridge. There she goes. Okay, down in distance is a Great Anglia terminating service from London Liverpool Street. She slowly crawls her way into the platform. Seven 108 is leading proceedings. We'll catch this when she goes back out. Arriving now is the 1525 Great Anglia service to Norwich from Stansted Airport.
Bicycles in the bottom of the train.
Which is 755 415 by the looks of it. We'll catch this in the park. Now the pine is the 1525. Great Angus service to Norwich. 755 411. When she arrived, I thought it was 413, but it was 411. I went far off. But off she goes to Norwich from Stansted Airport. Arriving now, see 1533. Great Northern service to London King's Cross from King's Lynn. 387120. And bringing up the way is 387116 returning. See that set when she goes up. Now the Pioneer C1533. Great Northern service to London King's Cross from King's Lynn. 387120 and 387116. Here she goes. This will now collect Cambridge and London King's Cross. I'm not used to seeing 8-car services that run to London King's Cross from Kingsley now, but there you go. Because before it was 4-car services only to Kingsley, but they must have extended the platforms maybe, I don't know. But off that goes with the barriers just lifted. Next stop for that service will be Cambridge. There she goes. Okay, down in distance is the 1540. Great Northern service to King's Lynn from London King's Cross. As I soon suspect behind me will be the 1540 as well. Great Angus service to Stansted Airport from Norwich. So on the front set is 387103 with a nice stepper whistle, thank you very much. We'll catch her at the rear set when she heads out. Approaching in now is the 1540 Great Angus service to Stansted Airport from Norwich, as behind me is also the 1540 Great Northern service to King's Lynn, 387103. I might get bold here, but we'll soon find out in a minute. So on the Stansted Airport service, here we go. Seven 755-410, and I was going to get bold, but I've got the Great Anchor numbers of that service anyway though. On the rear of that set is 387127. There she goes to King's Lynn. I think our next stop is Water Beach. It's down there, just arriving in is 755-410. We'll see that set when she goes out. Now the Pioneer C1541 Great Angus service to Stansted Airport from Norwich, 755-410. Calling at Cambridge, Witherspoon Parkway, Audley End, and Stansted Airport, I do suspect. Off she goes to Stansted Airport from Norwich. Next calling point for us is Cambridge. I suppose no ways after that service is now gone. There she goes. Now to Pine is the 15:53 Great Anchor service to London Liverpool Street. It's down here, 7:20-108, and I just found out the front numbers earlier, and it's 7:20-103 leading into proceedings. Here she goes. The next calling point will be Cambridge. There's that service heading off to London Liverpool Street down there. There she goes. Okay, down in the distance is a terminating Great Anchor service from London Liverpool Street. This will be a double pairing of Great Anchor 720s. Yep, double pairing. So gradually making our way in now will be 7:20. The question is it a pair of 720s I've seen earlier, or is it a different pair? Because some of these 720s can do half these to London Liverpool Street and change into Cambridge North services. So leading proceedings is 7:20-121. Yeah, this is not a pair I ever seen today. We'll see this set when she goes back out along Liverpool Street. I'll try to get the other numbers of this unit when she goes out. Passing through now is a cross-country service to Cambridge from Birmingham Street. One 73636 from Birmingham Street to Cambridge. I do suspect the crossing will stay down, as there should be another cross-country service passing from Cambridge to Birmingham Street. So we'll see that when she comes through. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Cambridge to Birmingham Street. This should be the return of 170-397. Return of 170-397 that we saw parked up at Cambridge earlier on the 1600 service to Birmingham Street from Cambridge. Okay, then distance is the 1608 Great Northern service to Ely from London King's Cross. This will be a double pair of 387s. As that arrives incoming now is the 1608 Great Northern service to London King's Cross from Ely. 387119. It's 387102 is behind me. On the way of the London King's Cross service is 387105. We'll catch you at the rear of that set when she departs. Making our preparation to depart now is the 1608 Great Northern service to Ely from London King's Cross, 387102 and its classmate. Cheers. The 387124 is also departing is the 1608 Great Northern service to London King's Cross, 387105 and its classmate. And nice spark from Pansgrove, thank you very much. Don't know if you saw it or not, but off she goes. The next calling point will be Cambridge and London King's Cross. There she goes. Now departing is the 1613 Great Anchor service to London Liverpool Street, 720-121 and 720-584 is at the front, with 720-121 now trailing. There she goes to terminating now is a terminating Great Anchor service from London Liverpool Street. This is currently running 8 minutes late. I won't be able to get the rear set, but I'll only be able to get the front set. Anyways, so gradually making our way in now is 720. Oh, excuse me. $115. There's that one arriving in from London Liverpool Street. Arriving in now is the slightly delayed 1625 Great Anchor service to Norwich from Stansted Airport.
Will be a Ford car. Will stop close to the middle.
So gradually
Signals are on the last code.
So gradually making our way in now is 755 418 returning. We'll catch you this when she departs. Now departing is the slightly delayed 1425 Great Anchor service to Norwich. Very packed service from Stansted Airport, although I'm not surprised. Off she goes to Norwich. There she goes to Norwich from Stansted Airport. The running now is the 1632 Great Northern service to London King's Cross from King's Lynn. Three 87117. Oh wait, this service is from Ely, what am I saying? And on the rear of this set is 387121. We'll see this service when she heads out. Now the Pine is the 1632 Great Northern service to London King's Cross from Ely, 387117 and 387121, going at Cambridge and London King's Cross. She goes. With a nice spark from the pantograph as well. There she goes, continue her journey onwards to London King's Cross from Ely. Her next cruising point will be Cambridge. There she goes. Our running now is the 1640 Great Northern service to King's Lynn from London King's Cross. As behind me is the 1639 Cambridgeshire service to Stansted Airport. 755421. As leaving this King's Lynn service is 387128. We'll catch her the rear set when she departs. Now the partner is the 1640 Great Northern service to King's Lynn from London King's Cross, 387120, and its classmate. Here she goes. And on the way, this one is 387123. As that continues onwards to King's Lynn, I should leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I should leave it there. If you liked what you've seen here at Cambridge North, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments and recommendations of stations you want me to do below, as I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. I'm unsure what station I'll be doing next, but after this video is published, it'll be in the description below. So from me here at Cambridge North, I should leave all there. Take care guys, and